to do the tissue that runs kind of along your spine between your shoulder blades, the thoracic spine area, you're going to need one of these spiky rollers. Again, it's got lots of spikes on it, so it's going to sink into the tissue, it's going to grab onto that tissue, and then we're going to pull it away from the bone. So the way that you'll do that is by laying down on the ground, and you're going to get the roller in. Let me see. So right now the roller is right there. So it's not on the spine, it's right next to the spine. So the idea is to pull the tissue kind of away from the vertebrae and away from the ribs and blah 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 blah. So again, finding that position, rolling in, and you can see in this position the end of the roller is, maybe you can't see very well, yeah, let me go this way, is up in the air. So I'm going to put as much pressure as I like through there, and then put my hand on the roller and gradually, while I breathe, let the end of the roller go down towards the floor. So that rolling action is going to tease the soft tissue off of my spine. But if I go too fast, then it's not going to work. If I go too slow, it's not going to get the tug. So you've got to find that that first point of resistance and just stay with that sort of pressure. Super important to keep on breathing while you're doing this one, because the breathing action, the inhalation exhalation will move the ribs, so that'll help in the release work. And there it is. Now it's melting quite nicely. That's worked a treat. And then you're going to repeat. You're going to find the next spot up your spine that needs work, and if you've got stuff on both sides of the spine, then you'll work both sides of the spine in similar fashion.